Hello, this week's vocabulary is Unit 1, Lesson 2, Vocabulary, Prefix, AD, add. Like you've done with the previous week's vocabulary, you're going to make a word wall in your journal. If you need to reference a video on how to make a word wall, it's on our classroom page. In your journals, draw and number a word wall from 1 through 11. Leave enough room to write the definition and example sentence of each word. What is a prefix? A prefix is a word part added to the beginning of a base word to change the meaning of that word. The prefix AD means to, towards, or add to. This list of vocabulary words is not only focuses on the prefix AD, but also its assimilated forms. The first word is effect. And like we did with the previous week's vocabulary, we separated the prefix from the base word. So what I want you to do while you're writing down the word is please separate the prefix from the base word. AF, effect, effect. The definition of effect is to have influence over or produce a change in. Definition again is to have influence over or produce a change in. Example, his decisions could affect the lives of millions of people. And here's this cool little meme right here of the Matrix and Keanu Reeves saying, your power doesn't affect me anymore. And he has his power and he's pushing away all these bullets. So again, the definition is to have influence over or produce a change in. Effect. The next word is apparition. While you're writing this word, please separate the prefix from the base word, apparition. While you're writing it, draw a line right here after AP, apparition. Apparition, the definition is a ghostly figure, a specter. Example, people say there's a strange apparition in this house. Perhaps it's a ghost. And I've included this cute little meme right here, professional ghost hunter, scared of ghosts. I'm also going to show you a quick little video on the word apparition. The next word is annihilate. Again, separate the prefix from the base word. Draw a line after AN, annihilate. The definition of annihilate is to destroy something or someone completely. Again, to destroy something or someone completely. Example, bombs annihilated the city. I'm going to show you this video of this watermelon. When you put rubber bands around the middle of a watermelon, it slowly explodes. And so by putting rubber bands around the watermelon, you're completely annihilating the shape and also contents of the watermelon. Let me show you this.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh, that's incredible!
So what the rubber bands did to the watermelon was completely annihilated. On to the next word. The next word is aggression. You're going to separate the prefix from the base word by writing the word and then drawing a line after the prefix. Aggression. The definition of aggression is angry or violent behavior or feelings. Definition, angry or violent behavior or feelings. Example, a lion's roar can be very aggressive. And I've included this picture right here, this lion kind of aggressively yelling at the female lion. And can you all think of any situations which can be aggressive or where someone is emitting aggression? Let y'all think about that. On to the next word. The next word is advent. And right here, you're going to separate the prefix from the base word. You're going to write the word and then draw a line after AD, advent. The definition of advent is the time when something begins or arrives, the first appearance of something. Example, the advent of spring brings blooming flowers. And I've included this little picture right here so you can see how the winter has changed into spring and now spring is blooming. So definition, the time when something begins or arrives, the first appearance of something. So when the first flower blooms, that's when you know spring has arrived. I'm going to go to the next word. The next word is aggregate. You're going to write the word, separate the prefix from the base word, draw a line right after AG. Aggregate. Definition: to join or combine into a single group. To join or combine into a single group. Example: the cold weather aggregates from many cozy things. I've included this little picture right here that says book plus chair equals cozy. So this little guy right here, his chair and his book makes him cozy. I'm going to continue the rest of the vocabulary words in the next video.